You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how not to pronounce this word. For the longest time, I've been saying it as vocabulary, but many mispronounce it also as vocabulary. Vocabulary. Now, how to pronounce it correctly? Well, here is the video for you that you need to watch to learn thus how to pronounce vocabulary correctly. Yes, watch that video to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.